Hey guys, welcome to this Amazon seller video. My name is Richard, and in this video I will share with you 5 ways to get product reviews very quickly for your Amazon product listings without getting your account suspended or without getting in trouble with Amazon. So these are methods supported by Amazon. They're legit ways of getting authentic product reviews. So no fake buys, no giveaways, none of that stuff. So the first method, the number one way of getting product reviews is still organic. This is the best way you can get product reviews for your product. The more products you sell, the more reviews you will get. Statistically, you get something like 1 review per 100, but this is based on statistics rather than per product basis. So you may have a product that will get more than 1 per 100. But in general, it's around 1 review for every 100 products that you sell. Now, organic product reviews are the best because not only are you getting product reviews, that means you're also getting more sales, which means your product is going to rank higher. And Amazon uses reviews to decide how relevant your product is for the search term. So for example, if you're getting loads of positive reviews for a particular search term, Amazon is going to position your listing higher in the search results because it deems your listing to be relevant. In the same way, product reviews are used by your consumers, your buyers, as a bit of social proof when they're deciding whether to buy your product or not. So product reviews directly are linked to your conversion rate and your click-through rate. So basically, the more reviews you have, the more likely the consumer is to buy your product and the more likely they're to click into your listing. And all of these factors are used by the Amazon search engine to decide where to position your listing in the search results. So this is why this method is a great way of getting product reviews. Method number 2 is to use PPC and advertising for your product. Now, PPC is really good because it's going to position your listing at the top of the search results, and that means your product will get more visibility. The more visibility your product gets, the more likely people are to click on it and to buy it. And that means, again, you'll be getting more product reviews because you are generating more sales. And overall, the more sales you're generating, the higher in the search results your product will be placed. So again, you're following the same routine. The benefit of using PPC, of course, is that you get to position your product higher up in the search results than it would naturally rank through the Amazon search engine. Obviously, the downside of PPC is that it costs you money, but don't look at this as a big cost, because you're getting some of this money back through generating more sales, and not just through generating sales on PPC, on your advertisement, but also it counts towards your organic sales. So if you're generating loads of sales through PPC, that means your product is getting more visibility and more clicks and more conversions, which means your organic listing is going to rank higher as well. So it all contributes to your organic listing as well. So just because you have some cost on PPC, that doesn't mean it's a complete loss. Often your PPC will generate enough sales if you manage it effectively to cover the cost of advertising. And in that case, you really are getting free advertising, and you should be looking at it as, you know, a great way of getting more visibility for your product and a great way of growing your organic listing rather than as a cost. Method number 3, and this method is for new products only. It's the early review program. This is one of my favorite ways of getting reviews for a new product that I'm launching. You pay Amazon £60 to enroll in the program, and in return you will get 5 reviews. Now, it does take some time for you to get the reviews because all Amazon will really do is follow up with your buyers to ask them to leave an honest product review. Now, how does this differ from you asking your customer? Well, the difference is that Amazon will offer the customer an incentive to leave a review. So they will offer the customer a discount voucher or some sort of promotion or something to leave this review, which is really something that you're not allowed to do as a seller because you're not allowed to give anyone an incentive to leave a review. But because Amazon is doing this for you, it's okay. Now, why is this good? It's good because the customer is getting an incentive to leave a review. Therefore, straight away, they're more likely to leave you a positive review rather than a negative review. Of course, unless they're really annoyed with the product. In that case, you can still get a negative review. So none of these methods 100% guarantee you getting 5-star reviews, but there's higher chances of getting positive reviews because they are, especially this early reviewer program, it is, you know, incentivized by Amazon So Amazon will ask the customer on your behalf, which again, the customers prefer if Amazon asks them rather than you, because if you are personally asking the customer to leave a review, they can see this as you pestering them. So again, method number 3, early review program. You can access it through Sell Essential, very easy to enroll and very effective to get you 5 reviews really quickly. Okay, on to method number 4, and this is quite similar to the previous method. It is ask for a review. Amazon has built in a button in your orders which allows you to request a review from your customer. Now, in past, this was only available to selected sellers, but now it's available to everyone. All you have to do is go into your Sell Essential, click on your orders, select the particular order that you want to request a review for, click on the button to request a review, and Amazon will fire off an email to the customer asking them to leave a review. Now, again, this does not guarantee what kind of review you will get, but again, it's an email that the customer will get from Amazon asking for a review, which again, it doesn't look like you are pestering the customer, and it follows all of Amazon's policies. Now, there is no limit on how many reviews you can request. You can go to every single one of your orders and request reviews for them. The only thing that there is a limit on is time. So you can request a review for any purchase that's being placed 7 days ago. So it's basically to give the customer 7 days to receive your product and use your product before you can request for a review. Now, it is a time-consuming method because you have to go inside each order and click on each orders, request a review, and then exit that order and go to another one and basically go through all of them. If you've got thousands of orders, it can take some time, but the results of this are really phenomenal. You will get loads of reviews coming in. So this is really effective, especially if you're boosting a listing or you launched a new product and you know you have not been getting those reviews. If you go in and remind all your customers to leave a review, there's a good percentage of those that will do, and again, your review count will go up. So this is a very good way of doing it. By the way, if you are using Helium 10, which is a seller tool, Helium 10 offers a plugin that allows you to do this automatically. So basically, they've created a plugin where you can select, 1,000 orders at a time, or 100 orders at a time, or all the orders for a specific product, and then fire off a review request in one go. So they basically hooked in their API into Amazon Sell Essential and allow you to do this action in batches rather than on individual product basis, which can save a ton of time and is really, really great. Now, unfortunately, this feature is currently not available in the UK. So if you are a US seller, then this is great because you can use it, and you should definitely sign up just for this feature because it's going to save you a ton of time. I've got in touch with Helium 10. I have asked them about this and they said it's coming to UK very, very soon. And I say UK and Europe. So again, it shouldn't be too long before it gets to us as well. Okay, on to method number 5. This is by far one of my favorite methods so far. It's absolutely free and it guarantees you to leave really great product reviews with pictures and all sorts of things. This is the new Amazon Vine feature that Amazon's made available through the advertising menu. So if you go into Sell Essential, you click on advertising, you'll see down somewhere in the middle there is an option to go into Vine. Amazon Vine is basically a program that Amazon runs where you are able to give away your products for free to a group of product reviewers that work for Amazon, or that Amazon works with more correctly, and basically they will leave a product review for that product. Now again, this does not guarantee that you'll be getting 5-star product reviews, but so far with every product review that I've requested from them, I've got back nothing but quality reviews with images of unboxing, images of usage, really great feedback on the product itself. Usually they will outline the positives and the negatives, but in general it is mostly positive, because I think again the way it works is because the reviewer is getting a free product effectively from you, they are more likely to leave you a good product review. And also they will always leave loads of, at least the ones I've seen so far, they've left me loads of photos of the product, which again works really well towards your conversion rate, because when customers read these kind of reviews, they can see pictures of the actual product rather than the ones that you've got in your, A+ content or your main images, secondary images, which are, usually photoshopped to look really, really good. Now, again, this works really well in two ways. One, it makes the conversion rate go up, because the customer will see what the product really looks like and they'll feel more comfortable buying it. Number two, this can save you from really bad scenarios. Let's say, for example, you've launched a product and on week one you get a negative review. Your first product review is 1 star, saying that the product is absolutely rubbish for whatever reason. Maybe it's a competitor, maybe it's just a picky customer, or maybe somebody was just unlucky and the product arrived trashed by Amazon, right? So I've had this happen for one of my products where I've launched it. I've got a 1 star review very early on, and it made the whole average review rank look really bad. I had 3-star average, and the product sales straight away dipped because, like I said, nobody wants to buy a brand new product with low reviews. So I enrolled 5 products into the Vine. I got straight away I think I got it back within 7 days or so, my first 2 or 3 of those product reviews with images and really positive reviews, which bumped up the star rating to 4 or 4.5. And straight away that made a massive difference to my product launch. So it kind of saved me from bidding that particular product, because when I initially looked at it, I thought, that's it, this is over, I'm gonna have to restart. So Amazon Product Vine, in my opinion, really good way of getting guaranteed product reviews for your product, depending on how many products you're willing to give away or you can afford to give away. Currently, Amazon does not charge anything for this. It is absolutely free, and I don't think it's going to be free for very long. I think it's because it's piloting at the moment, or it's early days for this particular feature, which is why Amazon is letting us enroll for free. I think in future they will charge us some sort of fee for it. So Amazon Vine, really great way to do it. The only limitation on this is that you can only enroll 5 ASINs at a time, and you can only free one of those ASINs once you've received all the product reviews that you've requested. So let's say you've requested 5 product reviews. Once you've got those 5 product reviews confirmed inside Amazon Vine, you can then enroll it. That spot will become available and you can enroll another product. So don't hurry to enroll everything in one go. Look at the products that you need the product reviews for and enroll them first. So these are the top 5 methods that I use to get product reviews. There are other things that I use with these, like for example with PPC, I tend to use vouchers and I will use deals at the beginning when I'm launching my product, but this is more of a product launch strategy to get more buys and to rank my product. But again, you can use vouchers and you can use deals to get more exposure for your product, which is going to again boost that visibility of your product and boost those organic sales to get you more product reviews that way. There are other ways which are not legit to get your product reviews, such as asking friends or family. Now you can do this safely without triggering Amazon's defense mechanism and getting your account suspended. You can ask your friends or family to leave you reviews for your products, but you have to do it safely. So there cannot be anything to tie you between your friend or your family. So for example, if you share the same surname or your same address, your friends on Facebook, or you're tied digitally together through an IP address or anything like that, if anything ties you together, this can trigger Amazon's little defense mechanism, and they can react in 2 ways. One, they may not display your product review, and if you keep trying this way and they notice that you continuously doing it, they can suspend your account. So I would stay away from these kind of methods. Besides, with all the options that I just mentioned now, you don't really need to use friends and family to get your product reviews. I know friends and family is a great way to get that initial 1 or 2 reviews because it's a guaranteed 5-star review, and none of the other methods will guarantee you a 5-star review, but it does come with some very severe consequences, and at the end, they're not really worth the 2 or 3 reviews that you might get out of them. Better to stick to the authentic way, or the legitimate way of getting product reviews. I've used this on most of my product launches, and so far it has worked for me really well. That is pretty much it for this video though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you find this content useful. By the way, if this is one of my first videos that you watched, please don't forget to subscribe and enable bell notifications and like this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.